Okay, this one here a little more challenging. We've given you a pentagonal prism. Oh, you see it up here? Yep. Pentagonal prism. We gave you the apothem of 12. The overall height of the prism is 15. So I need to find a side length so I can get the perimeter of the base. And I'm going to have to find the area of that pentagon as well. So to do that, we have to draw the radius apothem triangle. And I'm going to find this length, and once I get x, I know that's going to be 2x for the side, so I can do my perimeter that way. Well, for a pentagon, we got to remember what these two angles here are, and remember how to get those. We started with 360, and we divided by the number of sides. So 360 divided by 5 was 72. I cut that in half again, so 36. So this angle right there was 36, which makes this angle here 54. So I'm going to pull that triangle out. My apothem radius triangle. This is 54. This side we're calling X. The apothem I already knew was 12. So I'm going to say the tangent of 54 is 12 over x. So I got to take 12 and divide it by the tangent of 54. And I get 8.72. So let's find the area of that triangle, and we'll get the area of the base then. So the area of that triangle will be 1/2 8.72 times 12. And how many of them triangles do I have? Well, I have 10 of them. Again, Mr. Mead found the area of this bigger triangle, then only multiplied by 5. I had cut it in half, so I'm multiplying by 10. So I'm taking 0.5 for 1/2 times 8.72 times 12 times 10 is 523.2. So the area of my base, which is capital B in our formulas, is 523.2. We're going to need that, okay? Since this x was 8.72, that means the whole side was 2 times that. So we're going to go 8.72 times 2. So one side is 17.44, and I have 5 of those. So the perimeter of the base is going to be 17.44 times 5. So 17.44 times 5 is 87.2. All right, we're going to need this. So surface area. 2 areas of the base. 2 times 523.2 plus perimeter of the base, 87.2 times the height, 15. So 2 times 523.2 plus 87.2 times 15. If I pushed everything in my calculator right, that's 2,354. 2,354.4 units squared because it's surface area. And for volume, area of the base, 523.2 times its height, 15. So 523.2 times 15. 7,848. 7,848 units cubed because it's volume. So that one requires a little more work because we had to do the regular polygon, the apothem radius triangle thing.